Thank you. Universe. Thank you, parents. Thank you, gurus. Thank you, sky. Thank you, air. Thank you, water. Thank you, fire. Thank you, earth. Thank you, sun. Thank you, moon. Thank you, stars. Thank you, trees. Thank you, flowers. Thank you, animals. Thank you, birds. Thank you, family. Thank you, friends. Thank you, healers. Thank you, health. Thank you, body. Thank you, mind. Thank you, soul. Thank you, breathe. Thank you, heartbeat. Thank you, senses. Thank you, sound. Thank you, sound. Thank you, smell. Thank you, taste. Thank you, touch. Thank you, food. Thank you, shelter. Thank you, clothes. Thank you, a comfortable bed. Thank you, clean water. Thank you, tools for cooking. Thank you, electricity and light. Thank you, transportation. Thank you, pen and paper. Thank you, books. Thank you, love. Thank you, joy. Thank you, laughter. Thank you, tears. Thank you, peace. Thank you, hope. Thank you, faith. Thank you, strength. Thank you, courage. Thank you, wisdom. Thank you, knowledge. Thank you, challenges. Thank you, mistakes. Thank you, lessons learned. Thank you, forgiveness. Thank you, kindness. Thank you, compassion. Thank you, music. Thank you, art. Thank you, dance. Thank you, stories. Thank you, technology. Thank you, opportunities. Thank you, mornings. Nights. Thank you, sleep. Thank you, dreams. Thank you, memories. Thank you, imagination. Thank you, creativity. Thank you, intuition. Thank you, my past. Thank you, my present. Thank you, my future. Thank you, abundance. Thank you, prosperity. Thank you, work. Thank you, colleagues. Thank you, community. Thank you, neighbors. Thank you, strangers, smiles. Thank you, helping hands. Thank you, the seasons. Thank you, rain. my successes. Thank you, simplicity. Thank you, beauty. Thank you, truth. Thank you, honesty. Thank you, patience. Thank you, gratitude. Thank you, life. Thank you, second chances. Thank you, my roots. Thank you, my wings. Thank you, unconditional love. Thank you, this moment.